Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Balram Prasad and I'm working with Microsoft as a senior software engineer. In this demo, we are going to build an AI agent in just 10 minutes using Microsoft Copilot Studio without doing any coding. We are going to build an assistant for getting weather forecast. So let's start the demo. So in today's demo, we are going to create Copilot Studio and we will see how it works, right? So if we go into Azure portal and try to see that Copilot Studio, it does not come with Azure portal itself. So we have to go to different portal. So this portal I have signed with my another account. For this demo, I'm going to use my another account. So in AAD, we can see that we have my another account. This I have logged with my super admin. Now I'm going to use as a member. So I'm going into in private mode and let me type with Copilot Studio. Let's see that. So once we go to Copilot Studio page, we have two options, right? One, try free and try demo. Demo is very basic one where we can try to connect with any URL and we can see. Suppose if we wanted to try with Wikipedia, right? Let's try with Wikipedia, but it's a very basic one. So if we go into Wikipedia, it will start giving some answer, but because it is just for a basic demo, we should not be expecting more on that one. And so it gives basic information about Wikipedia because it is scanning very first page on that one most probably and giving that information. And let's ask one more question. So it goes in, pull the details from that page. So this is very basic. If you wanted to do more, then we have to go for trial section. If you can see here, it has given that one. So we can go from here also, or we can go from start from free here. So let's go from here. And if I wanted to use my Gmail account, then it will not allow us to use. It has to be your work email or your school email. So it does not work with personal email. So let's go with sign up with different email. So as I told you that I have already different email setup. So let me grab this one and I will post that. Let's go next. So it is saying that when you are already a Microsoft consumer, so instead of signing up, let's log in that piece. So I'm going to log in. So it is going to pop up for Authenticator app. So I'm going to approve that. Okay. So now it is asking for all the details. So I'm going to put my phone number. Okay. My username is this one. So that's great. Let's get started, right? Okay. My country is this one. So I'm going to get a start now. So once we sign up and get a start, it brings to a page where we can create an agent and it provides a nice clean UI where we can chat and try to create the agent using natural language. If you see my screen, it says that how it can help us to build an agent, right? I can say that, can you help me to create an agent for weather, right? And it will go ahead and try to figure out all the details about how the steps will look like. So if you see right side, it says that all the details, and then it is going to ask that what it names and other things, and we can say that, or we can provide another name for the agent, and it is going to ask each step and then how you want to do that instruction and other things, and we can create using natural language. So how easy is that, right? There is no code we have to write, and it can go and try to help you as much it can, right? There is another way which I wanted to go first and see that. So if I wanted to see that how the rest of the option in this one looks like, then I can go and remove this piece and I can go to main UI. It will come to main page. So we have home page where we can see different agent template provided by Microsoft. We have also learning resources where we can learn on that page and create. If we see quick start, create and deploy an agent, we can go and see and read the details that how to create an agent, and we can use this given details for first creation of very first agent. If we go into different section like create, we can see that same template selection. You can see that new agent by default without template. You can select any template and you can create that one. And then in agent section, if we have already created any agents, it will be listed here. You can create from here also. It will take to that same page where we have seen that, right? So we will go back, and then we have libraries. So we can go for library and we can see lot of connectors has been provided. If you are building such agents where a lot of you are going to connect with different tools and different application, we have all the connectors here, so we can use that one. And as usual, we can go for different power apps and power automate and power bi for that, and how we can have AI integration with different AI services provided by Azure. We can see that. And this is how all the option and menus looks like into Copilot Studio. So in this video, we are going to leverage that template provided by Microsoft, and we will create a very basic agent which is going to fetch weather for us. So I'm going to use weather template provided by Microsoft, and slowly in the next videos, we are going to see other templates also and without template also how to create agents. So let's click on this weather template. And if you see this one, the very basic that we have to provide a name, and then we have to provide description and instruction, and also the connector piece which we were talking. Apart from connector, we can also provide knowledge store to additional knowledge. And similar, when we were doing with natural language, the same question was being asked, right? That what name you want to give, what is the description, instruction, and how to connect the data and other things. So let's go and change the name for this demo, whatever, and description that your go-to assistant, and instruction that you should remain friendly and polite. All that, whatever instruction you can give, that you can do that, and it is going to connect with the MSN weather. So it says that you need to have connection. So let's edit that part. So now it has already set up. So let's confirm this settings. Now if you see, it is connected. Now we can create this agent. Let's see that one. Now it is setting up. It can take little bit time. So it says that it will send email, but I have not set up my email on this account. I can come back here after some time and we will see that how agent looks like. So once we come to agent section, right? It says that your agent is ready. We can add a lot of different things. We can add actions, we can have build topic, we can publish agent so that other people can use. So if you see right now, we have not added any knowledge. So we can see into different demo that how to add knowledge. Right now, actions are weather related. We can get the current weather and forecast. Very basic, and we can test agent before publish. So let's ask that any question. Tell me about weather of Redmond, Washington today. Let's see that one. Get the current weather. So in if you see right now, we have not included generative AI so that it is going to use that most of the things, right? So we can enable that one into different videos. So right now it says that current weather is this one, right? Let's ask that one. Can you please? So once we enable that generative AI, then it is going to be respond much better than whatever it is responding. So it is asking for which city. So let's see that one. Yeah. So this is saying. So this is very first agent, and after testing, we can go and publish this one. But we are not going to right now publish any place, because then we have to connect to channel where either it's had to be host connect to any channel which can be your teams, or it can be your website or any other places where you want to connect, so that user can come and use that one. So if you go and see the channels, that there are tons of channels given by that one. So right now only we have team channel available because of our limited capacity on our tenant, but we have multiple options where we can go and publish this agent and connect. So this is what I wanted to show in this very basic demo. We will continue to have more demo using Copilot Studio. I hope you will like this video. If you do, please share and subscribe, and also comment on our channels and videos so that we can reach to more and more people. Thank you.